Hello and welcome to Administration Wise. In this video, we will look after the concept of budget. So, budget is basically a quantitative expression of the plan of action and aid to coordination and implementation. Historically देखा जाए तो इसकी शुरुआत ब्रिटेन में हुई थी, जहाँ पे किंग डिमांड किया करता था पैसे के लिए टू वेज द वॉर, और ये डिमांड वो करता था टू द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स अंडर हिज पोजीशन, और ये रिप्रेजेंटेटिव या तो नोबल्स हुआ करते थे या तो फिर नाइट्स हुआ करते थे। और पैसे इन तक पहुंचाने के लिए ये लोग क्या करते थे कि अपने देशों को या फिर अपने अंदर के प्रजा को हाईली टैक्स करते थे। एंड स्लोली दिस कंसेप्ट रैडेड इनटू द डेमोक्रेसी ऑल्सो। उस समय पे ब्रिटेन में 3 क्लासेस हुआ करती थी, पहला लॉर्ड्स या नोबल्स का, दूसरा कॉमनर्स का, एंड द थर्ड वन इज नाइट और द क्लरिकल क्लास। और जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया हुआ क्या कि ये जो कॉमनर्स थे उनमें नाइट्स मर्ज हो गए कुछ, और कुछ नाइट्स लॉर्ड्स में मर्ज हो गए। तो इस तरीके से 2 हाउसेस का उद्गम हुआ। फर्स्ट one is the House of Lords and the second one is House of Commons. And further, with the emergence of democratic principles, the concept of no taxation without representation came up. Without representation होगा, the granting of the taxes and its increase were shifted towards the House of Commons, and hence the concept of modern day budget come up. The origin of the term budget can be traced to the French word baguette, which means a leather bag, where the Chancellor of the Exchequer used to have a leather bag to carry his papers, and the content and papers of this bag is kept secret until these were opened into the House of Commons. And satirically, Walpole financial plan in the 1773 has said that he opened the budget, meaning the bag, to take out the papers for presenting the proposals. Since then, the appellation has stuck to the financial scheme or the statements, and the term budget is used to denote that the document which contains estimates and revenue and expenditure of the country, usually fixed for the period of 1 year, and the same for the definition of the word budget were given by different thinkers as follows. The first one is Demock, who defines budget as budget is a financial plan summarizing the financial experience of the past, starting a current plan and projecting over the specified period of time of future. Similarly, in this row, next thinker is Taylor, who defines budget as a financial plan of government for the definite period of time. Wilner defines it as budget is a detail of estimated revenues and expenditure and a comparative chart of revenue and expenditure, and over and above this it is an authority and direction of the competent authority given for the collection of revenue and expenditure of public money. From the above definition, it can be concluded that following are the 4 essential features of the budget. तो 4 essential features क्या क्या है? First one is it is a statement of expected revenues and proposed expenditure. There requires an authority to sanction it. It is for limited period of time. Generally it is of 1 year. ये कुछ procedures और manners भी set करता है for the collection of the revenue and the administration of the expenditure to be executed. Significance देखते हैं बजट के बारे में. It is the oldest device for the controlling of the operation. Government started using this budget about 200 years ago, and the main aim is to balance between the tax income and the operating expenditure. And to create this balance, it is an important tool. It helps in improving the planning. It is a valuable means for subsequent measures and control for coordination of the related activities, purchasing, production, storage, sales, etc., and to stimulate preventive action so that very little corrective action was necessary then after. It is basically a record of past experiences, a method to control the current ongoing transactions, and a projection for the future plan. Hence, the budget is broken down finely enough, and it is relatively easy for the administrator to determine that what is happening and whether or not will happen in future. It gives a report for entire financial operation of a particular department. In part of it gives the glimpse of the future policy to be adopted by the department of or by the government. It is an important indicator from the viewpoint of public in general about the performance of the government in the previous year, and it also gives the glimpse of the future government fiscal policies. It helps in order to prove as an important guide for them during the next general election, so as to whether to bring the current government or to change it in the upcoming term. It is also set as the confidence of the legislature that whether if the budget is not passed in the legislature, the government has to resign and a fresh government has to take place in the office. Let us quickly look after some features of the budget. Budget as a financial tool. It is an excellent tool to control and to show accountability that can be enforced by the government. By this, financial control can be taken over the government by parliament, because the need for demand of grant in the budget need to be supported by the purpose of government. It also acts an index of performance of government, against which the performance of the government in the previous year can be calculated, and its achievement and goals and policies can be reciprocated for further future. It is an excellent tool of administrative control that how the resources are spent and to be spent for a particular activity. It is an indicator of the total health of the economy and in the current scenario, and also for the projection of the future, and also tells about the overall development process of a country. It controls over the finances and overall other aspects of the administration too. Budget reflects one of the most important economic principles of the government about the handling of the available resources. The second feature is the budget as an instrument of socio-economic policy. तो डीपीएसपी में ये बतलाया गया है कि गवर्नमेंट शुड इन्वेस्ट इन द एरिया ऑफ सोशल वेलफेयर एक्टिविटीज, and the objective of it should be achieved in the future when there is availability of finances in the hand of government will be. It could be in the three ways. First one is pattern of spending. It reflects the priorities of the present day government, and the analysis of this pattern over the several years can show the shift of the priorities of the government over the year. The fiscal policy declared in the budget indicates the pattern of the taxation in the country, and the taxation rate are an effective tool to achieve or curb the practices in the country. और जब बजट डिस्कस किया जा रहा होता है पार्लियामेंट में, तो इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज relating to administrative organization and administrative relationship are also been raised. Budget as a tool of management. Next feature, it is an excellent tool of administrative management as it is among the 7 suggested activities of the Gulick and Ervik in the acronym of POSTCOP, and where B is for budgeting. It can be controlled over by executives, where the overall policies of the departments and hence the expenditure that is perceived to be unnecessary is curbed right at the time of budget formulation, and the budget also acts as an instrument of the coordination since it is head of the department who disburses the money. Role of operating agencies. Operating agencies exercises control over the budget both at the time of budget preparation as well as when it is been executed. Finance Department, which is situated in the Ministry of Finance, is the third agency which exercises the internal control as a nodal agency that prepares the most part of the budget and manages the government finance and keeps the constant control over the finance of the government. Types of budget. It can be classified on the basis of agency who formulates it, and also on the basis of technical principle which has been used behind the process of budgeting. So the first one is classification on the basis of formulating agency. First one is legislative budget. It is when the budget is prepared by committee of legislative on the request of executive. It is known as legislative type of budget. Executive budget is prepared by the executive, and after it needs to be approved by legislature, and responsibility of the execution of the same also lies with the executive, and this type of budget is known as executive budget. And the most common principle of the budgeting is the executive budgeting only. Board or commission type of budget, it is formulated by board or a commission which may consist of wholly the administrative officer or of the administrative as well as legislative officers jointly. Classification on the basis of technical principles. First one is annual or long term budget. Generally गवर्नमेंट बजट एक साल के लिए होते हैं और इसका सिंपल रीजन ये है कि एक साल का जो टाइम पीरियड है ये ना तो बहुत ज्यादा लंबा है टू प्रिडिक्ट द इकोनॉमी एंड इट्स ग्रोथ एंड नेदर टू स्मॉल टू प्लान. नेक्स्ट वन इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल बजट. सिंगुलर बजट तब कहेंगे जब अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट के लिए ही सिर्फ बजट फॉर्म करते हैं. अब प्लूरल बजट बोलेंगे जब एक एजेंसी बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स को कंसिडर करते हुए बजट फॉर्म करती है जिसमें सारे डिपार्टमेंट के बजट इंक्लूडेड होते हैं. सरप्लस, डेफिसिट एंड बैलेंस बजट. सरप्लस बजट is when expenditure is less than income or revenue, it is surplus budget. Deficit budget when revenue is less than expenditure, and balance budget when expenditure is equal to revenue. Cash or revenue budget. A cash budget is one wherein the estimates of the values of various items of income and expenditure includes the amount that is actually to be received or spent in 1 year, while the revenue budget accrue in one financial year irrespective of the fact whether the revenue are raised or the expenditure is incurred in that financial year or not. Departmental budget or performance budget. It is based on the classification of receipts and expenditure of the budget. It does not give any information as to the activity and performance of the money is budgeted, and hence it is known as line item budget. The performance budget is one where the budget is prepared in the terms of function, program, activities, projects, etc. and the total expenditure of a particular program, though actually spread over the various departments, is grouped under the head of particular program is called a performance budget. Principle of budget making. Again there are two principles, political principle and technical principle. Political principle of budget making क्या है? तो बजट बनाना बेसिकली एग्जीक्यूटिव का काम होता है एंड नो डिमांड्स फॉर ग्रांट कैन बी मेड एक्सेप्ट ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव. ये जाना माना तथ्य है. जबकि लेजिस्लेचर अपने तरफ से क्या करता है, वो जो भी डिमांड किया जाता है उसको कहीं ना कहीं रिड्यूस करके ही सैंक्शन करता है एट द टाइम ऑफ सैंक्शनिंग, लेकिन वो कभी भी इंक्रीज नहीं करता है जो भी अमाउंट चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव के द्वारा एक्चुअली आस्क किया गया है. लेकिन अगर ज्यादा पैसे दे दिए जाते हैं तो कहीं से भी एग्जीक्यूटिव इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहराया जा पाएगा और ये कहीं ना कहीं वेस्टेज और एक्स्ट्रावेंजेस ऑफ द मनी के रूप में कंसिडर किया जाएगा. एग्जीक्यूटिव डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है यहाँ पे? तो एग्जीक्यूटिव मस्ट बी गिवन द पावर टू एलोकेट एंड रीएलोकेट द मनी from one minor head and to the another minor head, keeping in mind the exigencies that often come at the time of execution of the budget. Annuality of the budget. तो annuality as the name suggests, तो लेजिस्लेचर जो पैसे देते हैं बजट के माध्यम से एग्जीक्यूटिव को, वो जनरली एक साल के टाइम पीरियड के लिए होता है एंड इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर पीरियड ऑफ that time only, and it is also the minimum period which is necessary to execute a financial program. Hence this type of budgeting is called annuality, जो 1 ईयर के लिए हो रहा है. सिंगल बजट. अगर गवर्नमेंट के पास एक सिंगल बजट है जिसमें सारे रिवेन्यूज और एक्सपेंडिचर इंक्लूडेड है तो ऐसे बजट को हम लोग सिंगल बजट कहेंगे. ट्रेजरी कंट्रोल. इट इज एन important political principle to control its treasury, and the best system for achieving this is a direction control as well as internal control. टेक्निकल प्रिंसिपल बिहाइंड द बजट फॉर्मुलेशन. तो जनरली बजट बैलेंस्ड होना चाहिए. एस्टिमेट जो भी हो वो कैश बेसिस पे हो, ना कि रिवेन्यू बेसिस पे. रिवेन्यू और कैपिटल पोर्शन जो है वो अलग अलग रखने चाहिए और शुड बी शोन इन 2 सेपरेट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बजट नोन एज करंट एंड द रिवेन्यू बजट एंड द कैपिटल बजट. बजटिंग हमेशा ग्रॉस वैल्यू पे होना चाहिए, ना कि नेट वैल्यू पे, और रेसिट्स और एक्सपेंडिचर पूर्णतः शो करने चाहिए. बजट में एस्टिमेट्स जितना हो सके एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू प्रेफर करें और इसमें डेप्रिसिएशन, इन्फ्लेशन और डिवेल्युएशन जैसे टर्म्स को भी कंसिडर जितना ज्यादा हो सके परफेक्टली किया जाना चाहिए. द एस्टिमेट शुड ऑल्सो कॉरेस्पॉन्ड टू द फॉर्म इन विच द अकाउंट आर to be kept, and this help in budget preparation, budgetary control, and in the keeping of the account. The budgetary heads should be the same as those of the accounts. रूल ऑफ लैप्स क्या है? तो सीधी सी बात है कि नो पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रांट विच इज लेफ्ट अनस्पेंट शुड बी टेकन फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट ईयर. इट विल lapse and go back to the treasury after the expiring of the time of grant. And that's all for this video. Thank you for your time.